Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, Glaster or Glass TR Easy Fit. So this is a tempered glass screen protector from Spigen. It's a 2-pack, which is nice. It is $18.99 on Amazon right now, but there is a 5% off coupon that you can apply at checkout. So for 2 screen protectors, not too shabby, especially from Spigen. And as you can see here, just kind of some different stuff here. Talks about easy installation, real glass. They got an oleophobic coating on it, 9H surface hardness, and it is Spigen case friendly. But with my experience with Spigen's tempered glass screen protectors, they're pretty much all friendly with pretty much any case out there. So let's get this out here. So there was some tape that I probably should have cut, but not a big deal. We're gonna just slide this on out, totally ruining the box here. All right, goodness gracious. All right, so let's see what we got in here. So we got, let's see, a lens cleaner, so a screen and a cleaning wipe and all that. Then we got a little microfiber cloth, and looks like some dust removal stickers, which are nice once you clean the screen off. Push that to the side. And then as you can see here, we have really everything we need. So we got a little squeegee here, which looks like maybe we just take out. So got that. So helps kind of get those air bubbles and everything out, which is actually kind of nice because a lot of times they'll give you, not Spigen, but in general, maybe even the past, like kind of like a credit card looking thing. And it is kind of actually annoying, to be honest with you. So it is nice to kind of have this as a little scraper. So, and then let's see what we got in here. So, looks like here's the installation. I'll kind of pause it there for you if you want to kind of look at it. Obviously, I'm going to do it in this video. But step 1, cleaning the screen, all that good stuff, then getting all the dust off. And then removing, it looks like the back film, and then putting this on top, and then following the instructions as it says here, press and then slide, and then wait 30 seconds, and it says then remove from here. So it looks like there's a like a hole sticker, it says, which I'm assuming that's maybe here. Oh yeah, right there. And we'll peel it up, then the protective film will peel off, and we should be good. So I don't think it's going to be terribly too hard, but like I said, it does come with 2, which is nice. So I shouldn't hopefully need to use the second one, but we'll see. So let's put that to the side and let's get the screen clean. So whenever you're doing this, guys, so like it says, you got a dust removal sticker. We got the little microfiber cloth, and then we'll use one of the lens and screen cleaning wipes, which it's very moist, which, depending on if you like that word or not, sorry. But let's clean the screen off, get it nice and wet and cleaned up here. I've been really needing to do this because not having a screen protector on my phones just drives me insane. So it is nice that this has it. So now let's wipe the screen down. All right, now that that is done, going to use the dust remover stickers. So I guess it's just these little ones. So I'm just going to look for like any kind of little dust that maybe came off of the microfiber cloth or anything like that. Just kind of get it nice and extra clean just in case. All right, looks pretty good. And then now let's do this. So let's see, remove this. As it says here, it says back. So this is what it was talking about. So we're going to peel that off, which is going to expose the actual tempered glass screen protector. And then now we're just going to use the frame like it says here. So it does look like there's a top little signal there, obviously. So we're just going to put that on like so. And like it says, we're going to press and slide. Okay. Now it says wait 30 seconds. So with the power of video editing, let's get to that point. All right, so now we're at this point. So then it says step 3, remove from here. So I'm gonna peel this up. All right. So I'm not really sure why it asked me to do that. Oh, well, I guess that's why, because then you can lift it up like that. So, all right. I was starting to think I messed up. And then as you can see here, we do have this film. And so it says to remove this. Easy peasy. And really not a lot of bubbles. There's a little one here. There's a little tiny one down here. So we're going to use our little provided squeegee here. Actually, I need to hold it up because I can't really see. So I'm just going to kind of do that there and kind of just work my way around the edges. Because even though I don't see any on there, that's something that's always a thing that tends to plague full screen protectors like this. But man, I gotta say, having this like type of little squeegee, it's actually really nice. So much easier to use than like the little hard cardboard little credit card or faux credit card things that most of the screen protector companies will send out. But I'm just doing this just to kind of do a little extra. But I mean, there's no air bubbles at all now. Like, it was pretty much flawless from the get-go. But yeah, there it is. All right, so first things first, let's test the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So looks like it works. There we go. One thing I will say though, guys, is with any screen protector, I mean, obviously with this being a tempered glass from Spigen, it's going to be a little bit better than some cheapy ones you're going to buy on Amazon. But with it having that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, you do need to kind of put a little bit more force. One recommendation that I have usually after you install a tempered glass is to actually reset your fingerprint scanner and re-register your thumb with the screen protector on. So that way it actually does a little bit better job. And you can even go into settings actually and go into under display, and you can actually change it to where you can change the touch sensitivity of the screen to increase the sensitivity of the screen if you're using a screen protector like it says. And sometimes I'll do that, sometimes I won't. Just really depends on just my experience. I'll usually leave it off, but just for the video purposes since I turned it on. But as I'm playing around with it, very responsive, no issues at all when it comes to that. So very, very nice. So yeah, I mean, very flawless there. And let's see if it actually changed a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So like I said, you just got to make sure, you know, once you have a screen protector on, you'll kind of get that muscle memory to kind of figure out the proper like force or pressure against the screen when you're doing it. But as you can see there, I mean, it's just working fine. I mean, there's no issues at all. And it is completely covering the screen, which is really nice. So it's a full screen protector, as you can see there, like looking at the edges. So it's just a little bit of the edge exposed, but the whole screen itself, though, is actually protected. So very nice protection. It's going to give your phone just that extra added, you know, reassurance, if you will, of not worrying about scratching your screen and stuff like that. Or if you do scratch it, at least it's the tempered glass, not the actual device itself. So there we have it, guys. There is the new Spigen tempered glass screen protector 2-pack, $18.99 minus 5%. Not a bad deal at all. So if you want to scoop this up for the Plus, Ultra, or your regular S24, I'll have some links down in the description. So yeah, so hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.